Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to unlink Facebook from Instagram account. So the first step is go to Instagram, and in the feed we will go to our profile, and here we pick in the superior part of the app in the right corner in these three lines, and now we go to settings and privacy. So and now we pick in account center, and we go down until the option of accounts. So we pick in accounts, and we search the Facebook account, for example this, and now we pick in remove, and we pick in remove account. So the last thing you need to do is pick in continue, and your Facebook account will unlink of your Instagram account. You confirm this in yes, remove the account, and that's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.